If you're looking to create and manage pipelines in Salesflare, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to make the most out of this feature in Salesflare, an intelligent CRM built for sales teams. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up and track your sales pipelines efficiently. Stick around because I'll also share an exclusive deal to help you get started for free. Let's dive right in. Creating a pipeline in Salesflare is simple. First, head to your dashboard and click on the Pipelines tab. From here, you'll see an option to create a new pipeline. Click that, and you'll be asked to name your pipeline. Whether you're managing multiple sales teams or just your personal workflow, it's crucial to give each pipeline a name that's easy to recognize. Once your pipeline is created, you can customize it by adding stages that reflect the steps in your sales process. For example, you can have stages like prospecting, qualified lead, negotiation, and closed. The beauty of Salesflare is that it allows you to tailor these stages to your specific needs, ensuring that your pipeline truly fits your sales flow. Managing your pipeline is just as easy. As you move prospects through different stages, Salesflare automatically tracks the data for you. You'll see an up-to-date view of where each lead is in the pipeline and which ones need your attention. You can even add notes, set follow-up reminders, and automate emails, all within the pipeline view. One thing to note is the powerful automation within Salesflare. You can set up triggers that move a lead to the next stage based on specific actions, like an email being opened or a meeting being scheduled. This makes managing your pipeline almost hands-off, saving you time and reducing the chances of missing a follow-up. Salesflare also integrates with your email, calendar, and other tools, allowing for seamless data syncing. This means you can track your progress without ever having to manually update your pipeline. For example, if you close a deal, Salesflare automatically moves that lead to the closed stage, and you can follow up with them effortlessly. To make sure you're staying on top of everything, Salesflare offers advanced reporting features. You can view detailed pipeline reports that give you insights into sales velocity, deal value, and more. This helps you identify bottlenecks in your process so you can make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts. Now, here's the exciting part. You can use Salesflare completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to all these powerful features, but we're also offering an exclusive bonus to help you get started with an extended free trial. Don't wait. Start managing your sales pipelines with Salesflare today and take advantage of this limited time offer. Remember, it's free, and the bonuses we're offering will help you unlock the full potential of Salesflare without any risk. If you're serious about streamlining your sales process and making the most of your CRM, give Salesflare a try. You won't regret it. You see a